I thought you loved your mother. Didn't know you didn't. He just jumped right in, can't you? This brings memories back to her, you know.
Yeah.
Is this the first one you had that had shock absorbers? It's only 60 short years ago she wasn't. I'm not here to sell this for you, son. That's your problem.
Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with one of my favorite videos to make. Yeah, we are in Bartlesville. We are taking my American car, this right here. Look how cool this is. Yeah, this is my 1994 Cutlass Supreme Convertible, and we're taking it to get Truthful Tom and Momma Monkey Wrench's opinion on this. Yeah, if you've been watching these series, I don't think Tom has liked anything that I've ever brought over to his house. And don't ask him about this BMW that was parked there for a year. If he brings it up, I'll try to change the subject, but it just was there for too long. It stained his driveway. It drove him crazy, and it was the embarrassment of the neighborhood. Not so with this car. This is a beautiful American car. You know, Tom loves his made in America stuff. So we're going to pull up on Tom and Mom and let Tom do some driving and get his opinion and find out what Momma Monkey Wrench thinks about this beautiful 1994 Cutlass Supreme convertible. Well, Tom has prepared the American flags for us. He's got them all decked out on his American truck, right?
Yes, sir.
Because everything is built better in America.
Well, actually, what's happened is that my neighbors, you know, have been not complaining. Yeah, about you bringing up the German and Japanese and all that stuff. And some of these neighbors, you know, read history. And they wonder why you can't ever bring up an American car. And so I said, well, I've got one right here.
Yeah.
So I thought if I put the flags on it,
Yeah.
you might kind of get the point that you could be American.
Well, I did.
Yeah, what?
And I brought an American car.
Oh, you didn't.
I did. Do you recognize the finest from Oldsmobile in 1994?
Wow.
That?
I am so proud of you. I thought you had something, you know, like it was some hippie thing where you couldn't buy American.
No. We changed that.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, so now you're an American, yeah, okay.
Absolutely.
Oh, that pays more, huh?
Well, no, it's just till I find another European car, and then we'll go back to there. But you guys want to check it out?
Yeah.
You want to see what this is?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
that looks,
We're going to
That
put
looks
Mom in the
nice.
back, and she can be like she's in the parade.
Yeah.
Because that's what these were for back in the day. But look at this.
that looks nice, doesn't it?
White on white, and even a white convertible top.
That is nice. That is nice looking.
Oh, golly.
Nice looking.
I can
I do have a question,
Okay.
not a criticism.
Yeah.
Well, there's no roof.
Well,
Okay,
not right now.
No.
Oh, is it
The last
Yeah.
last thing you brought up here. Remember it?
Yeah.
Remember it?
Uh-huh.
It had a hole in the roof.
It did.
And you said, "Oh yeah, that's so the sun can come in." Like that's why you have a roof, so the sun doesn't come in.
Well, yeah.
And so I'm wondering, and I didn't. You met my son. I can't say his name, but you met my old
See,
son.
now you're going to make me feel stupid again. This is the psychiatrist or the other side?
Yeah, the psychiatrist.
So the MD plus, yeah.
And so I could give you his card, and you could talk to him about this thing you've got on being afraid of a top on the car,
Yeah.
because you looks to me like you got a problem.
I just want the world to see all the goodness right here, all of this. That's what I'm.
Oh boy,
and
isn't the world lucky? Okay, well, all right, just show. All right, never mind. Just go ahead.
Do you know that your dad, when we were dating at first, had a white Pontiac convertible
Oh,
with a red interior? Yes.
Really?
Yes, that's when we were dating in Memphis.
Okay.
Yeah, so I like
That's when-
convertibles.
that's when she was a swinging stewardess. Not me. That's your
What
dad.
year would it that would have been?
Yeah.
Like 1960 something, 61?
Or 50
Okay.
something, you know, when she
Oh,
was
wow.
like 20 something.
Okay. Well, Mom, we'll let you act like you're 20 again. We'll put you in this convertible.
All right.
This one,
That looks slick.
it's been really popular on the channel. It really,
right?
really, it's been really popular. And it's got this weird engine, and I just replaced the timing belt on it and the serpentine belt, so it's running great. And believe it or not, almost everything works.
That is a marvelous change. I want to compliment you on that. You're moving up. I can see that. You're moving up. I like it.
Hopefully
this looks good. Let's put Mama in here.
Okay.
Oh, does this open backwards?
Well, okay, so that's one of the things that doesn't work.
Oh, wait a minute. I thought you said everything worked.
I said almost everything works.
No, you said everything works.
The inside handle works.
and
The outside
so-
is just a little off.
Oh, okay.
So here we go. Mom, you want it in on this side?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So that is how you get in.
There you go.
Wait a minute.
There you go. Now, there's a seat that'll fold up. We'll kind of move this out of the way. There you go.
Here.
Oh, okay, that's it.
Can you get back
Yes.
there? All right. You know
Now
what
there's
you're
the
doing?
bottom.
There you are.
Okay. Now these are bucket seats in the back,
Now,
which is why I bought the car. I thought it was really, really cool. And there's a thing over your head too, so.
he just jump right in, can't you?
I gotta get
All
my
right.
knees.
Slow down, Martha. Slow down.
Don't film this.
Here you go. All right.
I've gotta get
Pull your
my
right
knees
leg up.
straight.
Where's your right leg?
I've got to get my knees straight.
Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Well, kind of takes you back to
course
when
we're
you're in
filming.
your 20s, doesn't it? Yes, sir. This is
I'm an old lady.
this brings memories back to her. You know.
Yeah.
It's only 60 short years ago she wasn't. I'm gonna let you drive, and I'll.
Are you sure?
Well, yeah.
You can drive it.
Well, all right.
You drive it.
All right.
Yeah.
Since
The other door handle works.
Since it's American.
Well, that's,
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, this is slick. It
Okay.
doesn't have any dents
Now-
in it that I can see.
Well, there are. You'll
All right.
you'll find them. There's a couple.
Oh, ooh, yeah.
So we got to get that thing fixed.
Yeah. That's all right.
Here we go.
You can do that.
Now, if you can find the seat. Oh, you went right to it. It's like you've been in here before.
Well, that's where most of them are.
Okay. Almost there. There you go.
Yep, got it.
Oh, you did good.
I can do that better than I can get in. Hope I can get out, okay?
You do a little bit of work over here on the door.
Well, that's one piece that we're missing.
No, wait a minute. Wait. Every time I say something, oh, that's one. Oh, that's one.
Well-
Oh, that's one. That's about 10 ones already.
Bring up the good stuff, not all the bad
I
stuff.
already have. I'm not here to sell this for you, son. That's your problem.
Okay.
I'm just here to be an objective. Remember, I'm Truthful Tom.
Truthful Tom.
I'm not salesman Tom. I'm Truthful Tom.
Truthful. And you're brutally honest.
Brutally honest? I
Yeah.
wouldn't say that.
Okay.
Well, yeah, I would. Ooh.
Oh, that sounds good.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Now this is front wheel drive too.
Oh,
This is when America thought everything was going to be front wheel drive, and so
Yeah.
they had all of these
yeah, that's a dumb
crazy
idea.
front wheel drive
That's
cars.
a really dumb idea.
Okay.
You ever try to drive front wheel drive in like a Pursuit?
No. Not good.
You don't want to.
Okay.
All right.
Well, you're clear over here.
Boy, it sounds good.
Thank you. It's got a special exhaust. It's got a special engine, and I spent 2 days changing the timing belt. So you're gonna get blown around a little bit back there. Is that okay?
Well, I like it.
Okay.
I'm all right.
You don't mind if your hair gets blown
No,
around?
no.
Okay.
No, I like it. I like that. It's wind in the hair.
There you go. Reminds you of riding horses.
Uh-oh.
So what do you think so far? Can you feel
Well, I
it
can-
pulling you instead of pushing you, the front wheel drive?
Yeah. It actually is a pretty good drive. Ooh, it actually has suspension in it.
Okay.
Is this the first one you have that had shock absorbers?
Probably so.
Yeah.
4 that work.
All right.
Some of the cars have had
Okay.
3 that work.
You got a crack in the window there.
Yeah.
The
See, you're bringing
windshield.
up all the bad stuff
No,
again.
I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm just observing. I'm observing.
Okay. Yeah.
If you want to bring up the bad stuff, I got some other things to tell you, but I'm trying to be polite,
Okay.
trying to help you. I mean, Lord knows, we want you to do better.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm talking about.
Absolutely.
Right,
Make
right.
good choices.
Yeah, whatever.
Better choices in cars.
Why is this dashboard at a slant?
I don't know. It just makes it look sporty. It's that American engineering.
Is that right?
It's just
Looks to me like they got it in like off galley.
off a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
weird.
it's weird. Yeah,
But everything works except for like the trip odometer. The car has 100,000 miles.
Wait a minute. There you go. Everything works except.
Except, yeah.
You know, if it's except all the time, then it's not everything. But can't you figure that out?
Almost everything works. It's got 100,000. I'm trying to be positive.
I'm trying to be positive too. But no, this is I'm not going to take it out on that main road out there.
Mike, what
Yes.
happens if it rains?
Well, I put the top up. We can put
no.
the top up in a minute. I'll show you.
Oh, no, don't need to do
You
that.
don't? Oh, you don't want to do that?
No.
You just push a button and the whole thing goes up, and it works. This is the car that I got in Little Rock,
Yeah.
and
remember that.
nobody wanted it. And it's got
Right.
this really special engine. And then my friend Randy brought his truck
Yeah.
and his trailer, and it started, and we just decided to drive it home. It made it the whole way home from Little Rock.
Huh.
We needed to jump the battery every time I stopped for gas or whatever.
I don't blame you. If I could drive the old wreck home rather than ride with Randy, I'd sure do it. You bet. Don't tell Randy I said that.
I won't say that at all. We'll cut that out.
Yeah. Do a little editing. Oh yeah.
But for the,
This sucker is nice. It handles well.
Uh-huh.
It's got stiff driving, which I like, or stiff steering.
Yes.
I can say the word, but which I like. I don't like it all goofy, soft.
Mhm. There are some creaks and rattles, but they don't, 40 years old.
Well, you're talking to a pickup owner.
I was gonna say,
If it don't rattle, it's parked. Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, this is the best wreck you've brought up here. Sure is.
Yeah, that's just because it's American.
I wish I'd thought to say that. We should now. If I'd have been thinking, we'd put those flags here and it'd be flying out the back. That's like we do in our pickups when we get those great big flags.
Yeah.
That really pisses off the left wingies. Look, there's a flag. Yeah, it's a flag, all right,
have
fellas.
his MAGA hat on.
Oh no,
My
we
what?
no, we can't talk politics.
Oh gosh,
we
no,
don't.
we can't talk
We don't
politics.
talk politics around here.
He
No
doesn't
sir.
have-
No sir.
Yeah.
No sir.
So I was thinking about a question that I could ask you guys. And since you are so good at like hating on my cars, what's your most unfavorite car that you ever had? Like you didn't like it at all?
That I had?
Yeah. Do you remember one in particular?
No.
You liked them all?
I loved my Honda Accord.
Yeah.
We had that for a long time.
Then you had a Buick Skylark. Remember that? The two-tone
Oh, it was white.
with the checkerboard seats.
I don't remember that.
I thought it looked like a top hat. Yeah, it was a four-door.
I don't remember that. Do
Okay.
you remember your first car?
Which one? The El Camino?
Oh,
The one you guys gave me?
that El Camino was fun for you, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was.
You used to carry the Peter Pioneer bell.
Oh, I used that in the parades and everything.
Yeah, when you're in high school.
You remember the first time I drove it? The police officer stopped me,
Yeah.
and he said I crossed the yellow line, and I had to get out of the car, and he made me put my hand over my heart and promise that I would always wear my seatbelt and be a good driver.
He did.
He really did. He made me promise that.
That's a good old Stillwater policeman.
He didn't give me a ticket. I guess he didn't think I was 16. I don't know. What about you, Tom? Do you have a unfavorite car?
Oh yeah, that's easy.
That belonged to you, that did not
No,
belong to me.
No.
Okay.
No. This belonged to me. I had an irrational moment in my life about 7 or 8 years ago,
Uh-huh.
or 5 or 6 years ago, and I decided, I need to quit driving these big trucks and stuff, and them to use gasoline, and maybe I'm real environment.
Yeah.
kind of thing,
Here, we'll do this.
I wasn't going to go anywhere. You didn't have to put it in park.
I just didn't want
That's
you
all
to
right.
forget
No, I got my
and
foot
run
on
into
it.
your truck.
I got my foot on it. Where was I? Anyway, so I said, okay, so Momma and I decided we'd get us a used Equinox. See the Equinox, kind of like,
Yeah.
that sounds like, the end thing. So I did.
Yeah.
I did. Oh, boy, I tell you what. And it ran all right. A piece of junk, but it ran all right. Then we went down to Dallas to family reunion. We get down there, and we were going out, and got my sister and her husband in the back seat, and Martha here and me here, and we go out onto the freeway and go like that, something like that. And when we get to where we're going, I stop. I can't go into reverse, and then I can't go into forward. And
Oh no.
yeah, that little sucker dropped its trans, and I hadn't put 500 miles on it, and I had over $3,000 in repairs.
Wow. Now that was that a German car or was that an American car?
I think them things are Japanese.
A Japanese Equinox.
Yeah. Well, an Equinox, that's not American, that's not English.
Okay.
It's an Equinox. And so I traded it in on this darling right here, and have had it ever since.
There you go.
That's an American car. It's a great big pickup. You know.
It's got your Hemi in it and everything.
Got the Hemi, baby. 5.7 Hemi. I can outrun any cop around here. You betcha.
Okay.
All right.
How about that viewpoint? So, Mom,
that's
what do you
great.
think? Final thoughts on the Cutlass?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, you comfortable back there?
Oh, yeah, it is really nice.
You got the wind in your hair and everything else.
Yeah,
All right.
it's good.
Truthful
Don't have
Tom,
long legs, so I'd have to.
I got my seat all the way back, so I'm sorry.
But it's okay because I have short legs.
Yeah, well, me too. Okay.
That's irrelevant.
Let's talk about Tom and get your thoughts on the car.
My legs are about right.
Okay.
Same as mine.
Actually, yeah, anyway.
30 inches.
This is the first one you've ever brought up here. It made sense. I'll
Okay.
say that for you. I say you're doing better. I can tell you're doing better. Kind of like getting out of grade school. And but no, I like this car. I think it's really nice, and I think your mom's going to be happy with it.
So, are you going to drive the car, Mom?
Well, no, I thought you brought it up since you were talking about how, your dad and convertible. Oh, did I misinterpret that?
Maybe so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you're not going to give it to your mama.
We're going to find
He's
something.
not going to give you anything, Martha.
We'll find something better to give to you.
Like y'all are being crazy.
He's putting me on the spot is what he's doing. He's calling me
I
out.
misunderstood. That's all. I just misunderstood. I thought you loved your mother. Didn't know you didn't. That's all right, honey. You can find another son.
Okay. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll be back with another video with Mom and Tom very soon. Say goodbye, everybody.
All right,
Bye.
adios.